n'Ensoko TV uboroso bw'umugusi.
Mwancho mwarigereria w'Ensoko TV oburuso bw'omugusino botukobonde obuyana nitokomerana ase embyo chinsa isatu cha Afrika ya muchari tukeringa rekomera kabira somotinyo kabiro mwaka oyoga wechile fibera 2025 no muno kuyana kwane buna kwagenderere buya aseri tukorigima nabo igo no gendere tekwego kya na kubwatie meroberi yonsi kuro chinsa ikomine bere cheke mambi go ikeraboni kana nitokomerana asembyo eriyo kwemanya aliagendere tekokorekana buna basaki baito bayarganirie aseri tukorigima erikwene kinanko gochirale naye bwemanya alia agenderere ayaitire nabo igo ayara chekubwatia ase obotuko boiga tosange aso bwamo gochakera bono gwika omwario wetera sinchira yomotandao bwekerero Facebook na wega sensemo area ya YouTube Ensoko TV ase namba ya mawasiliano erio onyari gutuma ujumbe yago enyenge nigere noti isano na ibere isano na isatu isano na isatu isano nemo mara gatano omwario beka isatu abwano gutuma ujumbe yago buna togandira tukwanyorama ya asenchira yobwekerano yechinsa echiga isatu chiaboro botuko ine naralia gosen kwariganeretie ase obotuko boiga tigatira nyora gwetera asenchira yoko yachutia
konde ndego ya balimu bali bakubolia chikura bare tomolembe litukulia Sunday ntubuna abakchikura no tokale
tuwete egento tokochara no monto nembwa yaya
obochori bw'ekiombe kia barimu gya Kupeti county ya Nyamira guche gokorekana ritukulia Jumapili.
And we want to congratulate the National Executive Council of the Orange Democratic Movement for their timely move to make sure that our party is fully
ababwatani bekiama kia ODM kurwa gusikuru ebirengerero byabo igoro ya Edwin Sifuna wakwa isiko.
As I stand here, the Secretary General of the Orange Democratic Movement is Senator Edwin Sifuna.
Edwin watenya Sifuna nero gotigara kobo muri kubekia makia ODM omo Governor James Orengo Korogonya. Karibu tuyanyora senchira yobwikirano eretariane Ishmael Mogere asomo chakarobo tukobwa bono bosibo bochori bwekiombe gekwegerera abarimu gya Kupeta ni go ekiombe gya Kupeta ase obochori brachi okorekana ritukuria Jumapili nigo ekiombe ekiwetera somoriki bwemeroberio yokurukwa okurwa bisomanyikaine buna Evans Matuga arure okuboria gochia ase abarimu kubwatrana eri guchigochora abarimu osigochigochora umutenereri orio ogochikobara ase enchira ere yobomo kureretalia ase enchira yokubatanana nigo bayakwanira ayakurwa ase county ya Nyamira buna homo security Stephen Nyarukie Mbunde agotumanya ase obotukoboiga.
That the person we want to lead us going forward in this great county is one George
Ayeko Mogaka.
Ayeko power.
Power.
Ayeko power.
Power.
Solidarity forever.
Ekero amaisonsi abekirwe bosio bobochori bwekiombe gyo kwegera abarimu ase orosagero wa Nyamira gya Kupet aburi tukoria Jumapili nige kiombe kyo gwetera organizing secretary oyokorwa BC Evans Matuga ara abarimu bande eriyo komocha igetambokero igetindi ekyo kyagarre gati y'abarimu bagendere gosegetanga osio bwechikurekyo egati y'abarimu banyareko bakorigereria ingera bawaka chikura na kwegerera egati y'abarimu bakorwa gati yenseme yemo
ndaite kumonyoria omo principal yuga ngachindetere chaendete kusimeka choko tatebinga twakira abantu bakurukisi county sengenjo bara abantu babo asekero kyo organize obo executive secretary intori tayare go chaubuna abarimu watana nubuna abarimu intubuna abarimu twabeiramo eitambo songo korwa osemu Nyamira korwa ase miaka yonza abantu bakire chukura twabere to gwakira abarimu bakuru Kisii County including Baba Joel Araka, the late Basweti, the current secondary Bwana Kenyatta akuru Kisii County. Lakini nware akere chikura na abarimu banyamira na ababosongo amo. Iko chinetere choko simeka Mr. Principal. Etogote kama abarimu banyamira afanye nini?
Ashindwe. Our organizing secretary Okoruo Mr. Matuga asega asia tokolerengia na kubua mono amangano cia tutebiri etore mwayaga yaye ebite tebiri na bitoji gokora na ne twegenete nga omuntu agotigira sekero ekiaye abo omuntu okorega simunere elio mwelio ntotageti ogwatananu ntumuna abarimu gosenga kya abarimu baminto itora monto tete komanye soruete egento togochara no monto nembwa yaye
okwana ime yomochi onyamira niga abarimu abukobomo atebirete neninga nigo barachie korawa sogochora abarimu baria barachie kobegerera bokongu na baria bararete abarimu amo na gotiga kobaga ekiombekyo ya KUPPET.
Abarimu banyamira twarigereire twachungusire twarorenga kamurangara akaeri kaberire union kakonya abarimu in the name of George Ayeko Mogaka. Abarimu ngwanja muri support umwarimu uyu. Konde tokote abarimu bari bakobori ya chikura bare to moremberi tukuria Sunday ntubuna abaki chikura no tokare
ntubuna abarimu banyamira county KUPPET twachirege gali tukuria rero asingenjo mu dekero ke executive secretary Mr. Ayeko tutagete twakero umuntu very competent omuntu twakeresi minga kinde yonse twanyora tari omuntu watenga akira nyarebe asinge bakwa the personal interest
asobochori obora korekane Jumapili iga ase skuru ya mura ya Nyamira Boys nigo abarimu abo bagenderere kwakira abarwaniri babe koko ase basabirenga abarimu besokia sobonge rio gochora barayi bari baganetie
ngentege tangani etutaete kwenyoria abarimu bonse be county ya Nyamira no bochorio bonene bwe union ya ito ya Nyamira KUPPET ebokare litukuria Sunday Nyamira Boys gotogote bya abantu bonse baje mambi mapema na ende tokobagana ndio morembo monene unita basakoleta buruburu ende yonse tosirio bogima una borito arali Nairobi County asichigari chapa chigoita abana baito
Mogaka
Ayeko power
Stephen Nyarike Monde Soko TV county ya Nyamira.
Miyamano museketo Stephen Nyarike Mbune na roboti rukurase county ya Nyamira. Kutoka se county ya Kisii kubwatikana nemero biri yo kwagachege tekenene kya Gusii erigukine kigosori ne ira yo murayigwense ya Kenya yo kuganige tekyo kyagachwe bono abo bisana abanyakonda kurwasa umucyo Nairobi nigo bayikara nasege tiekyo erigoke unenkya batarachaka gokyagacha abo bisabwo nigo bariganirwa no mukonyi bwo mu governor we county ya Kisii Elijah Obwebo monogerwe bunge ye county ya Kisii Dr. Philip Nyanumba amo no murayibwa banga se bunge ya Kisii Henry Muracha emerubiri yo bwagachubo nigo ekagere guchaka bwangoiga
abantu baminto mbiamono ase ogoikaga getie kya Gusii Stadium itukuria rero muna munene bwense muske president William Ruto aliyeteira wetoro mugabo ni Paul Simbarati nigetie kenkero sigwe etimu iri tukuria rero njaikaga igetimu nene yatumukuru itukuria igetieke twabatarire round igetieke twabona kengana twanyonge getieke nekenene ikiagere show muna murawe bono nkonga yanganyire yakire sebonte kugenda alinya tieko igegetieke buna bariete ira ngetegere korosigwa kebe astokokanga standard ya kimataifa ikiagera Shabana na bachezaji bande babinye kibande batagetegetieke nene igomba ika this morning this afternoon buna baikaga igemaragobeye bate biringe getimbu yakere esa isneisaine oneti contract ya chire na chechi bari geringe getieke nkegwenere korosi kuna getakire bate biringa na kugwenera gotu abatebiri bakore munambwango baire measurement Jones barigire bagire kibicha cyabo Jones erinde getike korosi gwe mune ire ri arenge ikirane erinde abantu boito bagusi bagoke ne Kisii County bagoke batwale getie kere modern kimataifa ase michezo yonse ebe no kominyoka ebe ne nkoyo yonse bikibira akoreka I'm sure we will be very happy mune serikali na abantu boito bagoke gotu abatu twabaratiri bakolire bono masakara basabire tokoba igine bakogenda barosi munambwango na twaba request kabana tebanga bare korosi munambango yare kobabuya barire iranga byonsi basaba kibira toke bigwene renga bibe buya irinde asinya ari guchaka munaba bangire barabwa banyana onto baganye batotebinga ndito chake gasiye yokorosi getieke irinde kebwenere michezo ya kisasa na international standards.
Are na yare se county ya Kisii abara ibense moye kiama kia ODM au bare mamincha ye serikali yobomo igabe sokirina ko muchige tambukiro kyomo yokyo ku mwaka isiko yobisi Edwin Sifuna buno muri kyomo nane we kiama kia ODM bakora bono mo Senate Edwin Sifuna ni go bakerukirige tambukire kyo ko boma mincheri chikori kiama kia ODM ase umugabara we county ya Siaya James Orengo amomochirie bororo murai bwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto aso ugwatenanikana okukwendera tekwenekiwa imeye kiama kyo buno muri kitu Daniel mwaga aliganira roboti uruo ase obutko ubwiga tigango tararaligereri.
Senator Edwin Sifuna, the NEC resolved to remove him from office with immediate effect.
Ritko elimorioka mayaga yomorikyo monene bwe kiama gya ODM Edwin Wantenya Sifuna gwako isiko nagotere kwa mbarambare buno morikyo monene bwe kiama ikyo bono nigo chinsase chintindi chege siasa ekyo charekanire komoka eriokiri mwamu charekanire ime ye kiama ikyo yagatiye chinsemo ibere ekyo chagenderere gotiemana na gosariyo bunyansi. Ritko lya lero nigabara ibensemo yorobegoromo bakora wana Edwin Sifuna umuseneta bwe county ya Nairobi, James Orengo umugabana bwe county ya Siaya, Paul Ongirio Wino oyo manyakainemo na bunababo Wino mubunge bwensemo ye bunge ya Mbakasi East, Caleb Amisi mubunge bunge yensemo ya Sabaot, Godfrey Ososi umuseneta bwe county ya Vihiga na boigo Oromo konyi bomorai bwe kiama gya ODM Owini Odinga mubunge bunge yensemo ya Afrika ya Mochayela besokirie na kuruta chinkwana chintindi kubwatekana negetambo kyo gyoko mwaka isiko Edwin Sifuna kokwana nabaliki amangana maya umuseneta Edwin Sifuna nigo agetona igetambo kyo gyoko muruta isiko yabisi kwa igetambo kerema mincha ayeri chiko.
Let me state without fear of contradiction that this action is illegal and procedural and a blatant violation of the ODM Constitution as well as the principles of natural justice. At no time have I been informed of any allegations against me, be they of indiscipline, insubordination or incompetence in the execution of my duties as the Secretary General.
Nengana tene ni yarekana gutiribwe siro no mubunge Babu Wino ase maisamarore amochia bali aberetege tambo kerekyo.
I want to state that the illegal removal of Sifuna from office is not taken on a light note by this team, and I want to condemn the leaders who did this. And I want to state that there is no way that illegal office holders can remove a legal office holder, SecGen, from office.
Omugabana bwe county ya Siaya James Bob Orengo nigo arekana ko utarachingo ko bori na komotongie kiara iseriso moraibwense William Ruto asoka materia buna nere sababu yomusemberere ko munene oyogenderete kwene kibwa imeye kiama kiriagia ODM.
The problem in ODM is President Ruto. We are asking President Ruto to let ODM go, let ODM alone. He has not taken it hostage. He is in possession of the party called ODM. He is convening meetings of organs of ODM. Please, please, leave ODM alone.
Ase ensemo yaye Omoseneta Godfrey Ososi na baigomo konyi bo moraibwe kiamekyo gya ODM nigo aeneke buna bono ekiamekyo ni wagekora wakora senyombene ne yoborai egetambokera mochiri bororo.
I raise an alarm that ODM party is now being remote controlled from State House, and I also raise an alarm that there is an attempt to do a hostile takeover of ODM party. I am surprised that Honorable Buru told us that he needed to consult further. That consultation, he did not consult it with other key stakeholders in the party, but they proceeded that night to State House to consult William Ruto.
Goikabono nigaba Kenya abategete chindoro chiabo elio korora gose amagoro ye kiamekio ayorekanire ko bandika nanyare ko bandurwa na kuirania ekiamekio asobunyamasi bwaye bwabotambe.
The Secretary General of Raila's party, ODM, is one Edwin Sifuna.
Ginkrepateria ya getaseni Igien Soko TV. Iretariane Daniel Omwaga.
Asense mwende ritukeri murioka magiga yobara iwe kiama kia ODM wetere National Executive Council ku mwaka isiko murikyo manene we kiama Edwin Sifuna ni gobona babwate ni we kiama kurwa rogongo rwagusi babwatukire ebirengereri byabo Bifon Magare uyoro munyakerugo omanene we kiombe kyabasaye gie serikali yobomo imiensi ya Kenya negati babwate ni obarure ebirengereri byabo kubwatikana no gwakwa isiko kwa Edwin Sifuna ni Magare agokerege tambukirekyo asikiri atebiribuna abarayi bari bakogenda mincha yeri chiko lie kiamekyo nigo babwenete konyorege sisuro kenga bunekyo asinga ki echo nigo abolira barayi bari bachorire kiama kya ODM kurende barorekanire bagusira ebyama binde kurwa sorogongo rwagusi gukia gwetige mperemo rimo ryoka na kwena na libaga obochori kwirorerwa ase ebirogo ebyo byabo asekeri nigo bakogenda mamincha na maganyo ye kiama ekyo.
Having deliberated on matters relating to the conduct of the Secretary General, Senator Edwin Sifuna, the NEC resolved to remove him from office with immediate effect.
Neritukeri Morioka maiga yekiombekeria kia National Executive Council gikiama kia ODM kumwaka iskoyo kabiro morikyo manene bwe kia mekyo Edwin Sifuna gati ya boboten hawe kia mekyo kia ODM wakurorongo rwagusi bakora wanere Bifon Magare uyoro munyakirogo manebwe kiombe kia basaye kia serikali yobumogose broad-based mensi ya Kenya sokire nago kwanira igoro yege tambukirekyo asikiri atebino ni gabara ibalia bakogenda mamincha na machiko kia mekyo bobonetse konyorege surubunekyo.
The removal of defiant party members, specifically in this case, we now talking about our former SG, Bwana Senator Sifuna Edwin, and we want to congratulate the National Executive Council of the Orange Democratic Movement for their timely move to make sure that our party is fully in line with the operations of the broad-based government. The agreement which our former party leader, the late Raila Odinga, the arrangement where he left us in.
Ukwana bari kimwe mu cyobosongo nigo magara mo kire barayabo batari babwatane bikiama kya ODM soko ndra ko mo kiombe kya NEC asige tambukiro gyo ko mwaka isiko Sifuna.
I have seen a number of Kenyans who are not members of the party, who are members of various parties, trying to advise and give their opinion on matters that really rest on the National Executive Council, that it was wrong for the SG to be removed from the party for defying the orders and the operations within the party. My thought and my opinion is that anywhere in the world, there is nowhere where loyalty is questionable. If you want to work with the ODM, you have to toe by and work with the policies that govern the democratic space within the ODM.
Chingo kichicho nigo babori abarayibalia bachorire ni kiama kya ODM kurende barekanira bagusire byama binde kurongo rwagusi ochegwetike mirimo rimorio kana kwena ribago bochori koirorerwa asebiroge bibyabo asikire nigo bakwena mu minche na magani kiamekyo.
We asking the local members of parliament from the Gusii region, especially those who saying that now they have now moved to the Jubilee Party. We want them to resign so that we conduct by-elections and see their popularity from the new houses that they have chosen to ride. The Sifuna issue is an issue that is going to be replicated across all the positions. Members of parliament from the Gusii region who have said that they have now changed parties and moved to either Jubilee or UPA or any other different party. We know the Executive Council is going to give direction by whipping off the members from the party list and we are ready for by-elections.
Niko bono baririra na baribe serikali yo bomo kurorongo rwa Gusii bachikobwaterana kwirirongo rwa Gusii amonense ya Kenya mutwe.
We from the Gusii region, specifically from the Kisii and Nyamira counties, we now going to get on the road to fully mobilize members of the party to stand in the position of the party and guide the party members from the grassroots on how well they're going to be part of the national discourse ahead of the 2027 elections. From our region, we're lucky that we have both the national treasurer and the deputy party leader from this region, who I know will fully work with the remaining team to make sure that we move this country and the politics of this country to another level.
Kuripoteria Soko TV kurwa Omochobo Songo Chepethuel Machin.
Ase county ya Nyamira bamenyi be ward yensiseme yensemo yebunge ya barawe county ya Nyamira nigo bagusaba kose nigo basabire comment wa abanyanyimbo bune nchira ya muyo gutinya oborendi asenseme yo bagukwana na Soko TV nigo batebiruna eyuneri nchira ya muyo gutinya oborendi na nigo na inde baburire serikali ye county erigire lichpara kiriya cyabo kigosoa kinsemecho nabo igo na inde bane kibuna basirire abamenye gusabarimi abwo no bwoyo obwo buragere ebimeri byabo bikori buya
Samalieta ngoro gudibi na mukeira korumaega chipare itararosiwa chombe chaga chira bantu bachandika komnyoki chiombe na magoro lakini korwe bare ya rosiwa security mbuye basigari bagotebiwa baminyoka nechi gari egere linde chiombe chagora cheiraniwa chiombe ero nchiri koigumo no ne yeme koibwa ege ndare ko saba bamenta basigari baitombara mneronge ndatebe station
Samalieta James Maina ne esise ward kipara chiro chinchi ebirega GMC njira rosipara ipara chia igore tukale nandi chia iranira goba chimbe mono wetani na chia lengi kurma igo amangana ye chipara ba oro to sabe serikali erigere ligo sene aba MCA baligere chipare chi sengenjo chipare chi ochine chimbe
Samalieta France birogo makori no menya ta manga sikimwa una intubona torochenga sobori mubrabumbu yabore tatigo mugasoto bera ogaite ndagera bobe sana wono igo atotagete batorenter baka moyo tugusimekere ndagera
Asense moyende nigo abanyakomiti kurwa ebunge enene himeyense ye wizara ye kiganchekenene besokire ligusangirira ibirengera by'abananchi igoriye nkwana ya serikali yo kontishia che company ya Safaricom gukwana imya ATC county ya Kisii nigigati abamenye abuba orokirie obwabo bwabo igoriye botumike nabo igo okubagwa gwetishe icho abwase batebiruna nigo bobwate chitangutangu ne kerengererie kyo ya serikali yo kontishia icho erigotumika kibese icho asugwakana esigira ya serikali ya Kenya nabo igo gokorera amagendero y'obwagachi bw'ekipara buna bakwerera asubutuko bwiga.
Is Livingstone Ogato. I'm a lesson of here in Kisii County. First, I support the government for selling the shares because majorly it is for the benefit of us common mananchi. Because what they have enlisted, they are going to improve that the key factors which are affecting the common mananchi. You see the roads, the water, and the electricity. Those are the key areas mostly affecting the common management. But contrary to that, my query is, you as our leaders, what parameters are you going to put in place so that you can ensure that this money is fully utilized on what has been enlisted?
My name is Vivian Omariba. I hail from Nyariba Richache. So for me is to give maybe proposals and also to bring out one concern. So the current debt, national debt stands at, as Honorable Manduku said, 13 trillion, which is divided into domestic debt and foreign debt. So maybe you should start by telling us how much of that debt has been paid. If I look at these figures, 204 billion vis-a-vis 13 trillion, 204 billion, which is supposed to go to paying off the debts and then also paying off infrastructure projects, I feel like 204 billion is a drop in the ocean vis-a-vis the 13 trillion. So what are we supposed to do? From a policy angle, I think that the first thing we are supposed to do is think about more sustainable solutions. Number one, because we have to get dollars inside the country. We have to ensure that our industries are running, because we are importing raw materials, which is not getting us more money than if we could be doing value addition for our products, our avocados, our sugar, even here in Kisii we have bananas. We are not doing much to ensure that we are getting dollars as a result of value chain.
Yetu ni kuwasikiza na kuyapeleka hayo mambo yote bungeni. Ndio ile wakati utakao kaa kujadili hii mambo, yale yamesemwa na wenzetu wenye Gitinge kutoka Kisii County na Wakenya wengine wote viwe pale na mtaona tukiongea.
Hassan Semoyende nigo botenera bwechiriye ikonge me yense moye bunge ya North Mugrango imenyamira bamukire egati abamenyi n'abatumeki bechire yo obabere bako amereria egetambukiro kyo gwakana kiwo sigwakanira kinyomba cyo batinchilingi 10 bakoragwa no munyakerogo John Moregu onsoti nigo bateberenga egati abarayi bagwakanira seba kwanga gwakanira kinyomba ekyo cyo bachenumbari batagete gwakanwa wetera asomugambi bwegesieri Henry Otao nigo ainekire ngao bwagachi bwechiro ya ikonge na serikali nene bwachakigwe obwo boraire chilingi 1 million emya ya 30 na isana nemo buna bakwerera.
Henry Otao omo senior chief egesieri location Ekerenyo division Nyamira North sub county Nyamira county ase tobwate chire nene ase North Mugrango ekorukwa ikonge ase tutenine ikonge bune chire nene North Mugrango tebwatie cho na ende tebwatie stage lero nko bakikisera ntobwate echo na ende tutabwatie ase North Mugrango yagaje tuna abantu bale ki Victoria South Water Works Development Agency eyo egotumeka konya ntu abwate echo ende esa abantu bakogenda free of charge, yani bakogenda batari kuri bajibesa igo yayichorete bonekero batebi we igo bagwakana chisiringi 10 abantu bamanyire batera ntubwatie echo chibesa chiaba bodre bagwakana chisiringi 10 chioka
njena chairman ya ikonge marieta nenkoro kuchoni molewu onsoti igo bono na intwe ase ikonga serikali nendete guturwanira ntubwati bobe nga choteyo echo nero tubwate echo engiya kabisa lakini bono tusijire nga abante babolire egento bagokwana batera na ikonge tubwati cho bono timanyeti echo ikomichi babolete bagochire echo ntwabwate echo gaiga bari gocha free afrio maete ichora no ko sibigunja ale ko sibigwa bono echo tubwata igere ndabu yani umontago chamunacha na koroisigwa tobe umontari kiro kolegasi bono rende tumaito muchando nuru
igo abako na gosaleli konge lieta tigababeke menua kendu echo nero naendero siri boronge kabisa no sororo to kumanyanga ne echo kwando kubuga no hotel egento kegerete batari goche echo eye neringa konye echo nere baire yabosa bantu banchire ebintu byabosa bono ne siringi 10 chioka na ichiagerire bagosaleli konge lieta ngacho hotel
ara bagosomia abana bajandike bagosomia abana buje bari boarding ejire eise koera abane barasome sawa sawa
ya serikali enene serikali kuu president ya Ruto batoire 136,000 millions 136 million chikwaga che chiro ya ikonge ne chiro yo bwari agwase chiro yo bwari achakire ya ikonge mbono tu atago ira magacha arengo konyora tore project ya modern market
Hase ensemo yende omo base commander we county ya Nyamira Pamela Mwita nigara ige ikarokia bana boda boda asibabeka amarago ayo arabwatu na barundi bechipigipigi be sub county ya Nyamira South. Bono barundi chipigipigi tibari guche gukora basombi gwetani chinsa enye cyabo tuko asekero murundi aganirigwe abeke number plate kera epigipigi eri kwe namba mone stage yo bokorari babeke chikobi cyo Burundi amo ne chi reflector. Aya nigo baya kwenekero kyumo yega bwo igura ehema ya Nyamira North ya Nyamira South Bodaboda Association of Kenya ime yomuche onyamira inse yomunyakerogo we sub county eyo Bernard Nyarichi.
Na inja samari tangor Bernard Nyarichi omochemani Nyamira South. So nago kira siri tukolia lero tuachira sokoronchi emagaiga asenge njuyo kogendera guchimotu. For 15 years ntuana koronchi gento buneke asenge njuyo borai bwale ngoro bwale ngobobe. Katika usalama gase Madam Pesi gaiga tuona ni chinsa chio koresa ega simbaka esauri usalama ya serikali sector ito ya Nyamira chinsa saine utakira saine gochigoro unless onye kubwato murwaire saine wasoire nyomba lakini gogotoka ngajise chinole para aito informative mo chairman oswakere o ani gokwana nyagitari omanyanga no murwaire kogotena ni kutenena
Wycliffe Mesanya ngau gondo mo security Nyamira county egento twanyora machiko Madam atosomire Roma yaga iganganaria umuntu kore sebara no bwende kubwatia machika ari sebara ebibi ya etware number plate etware namba se register stage koru twamakonyora nga omojemani wito Nyamira South oretire e system erengija ekero kuru stage onya twateba mbugichora kwa rwe gwa tosoire Nyamira South ma ore se system omanyekaine nga ikwaru korwa nande Madam otosomi buyaga gugoche sebara wanchite gasi yao obeke reflect obeke helmet obeke dredge safety boot elinde tokonye sector ya ito ya boda boda.
Na ningehimiza wana bodaboda tufanye kazi pamoja, tusaidiane na watu wafate traffic rules, to avoid maneno ya overspeeding. Wakati wa accident tusaidiane, tusaidie victims, tusianze kupora victims. Maneno ya criminality kuingia mnatoa number plates nini, hatutaki maneno ya number plates itolewe kwa pikipiki, tunataka visibility of those number plates. Na tufanye kazi kwa ile masaa inayotakikana. Ukipatikana masaa ingine beyond ile tumeweka, utakuwa wewe utatueleza sasa ni kazi gani unafanya. So ninaomba tushirikiane.
Tuatwari oburaiburobo bese county yeito ntori kobisa. We have been struggling ase stoko beka jibya sieto jitari korokana oburayo kujakira bone ngana uchibosio bwaerire oyo korukuna orindo igonde te komotebi kana nde momotebi na batomire boda bawa abegete sako ga chibya chikalie chikaera. Number 2 oiranire bono na rusitu wabisi osero complain ngadara ruwabisi so far boni gatabwati agenda aratota induna wana boda ba Nyamira county egente ke matokoreire kutua chagete for the last 15 years down the line no ene mara torogimna ene progress ya bwate Nyamira county.
Ase na yabwatikene ne chisemi abo bisabe chisemi korwa ase sub county ya Masaba North abatende bechi skuru no mu MC yebwe ward yeri Goma na boigo abanyakerogo bechi kamati echo che zone ya Bunchari ase ward yeri Goma imense moye bunge ya Kitutu Masaba county ya Nyamira ni go bakorire gikaro ase skuru ya Nyasore eri kumulekera na kwegera igoro yo mu ruberio omuya wechisemi CBC watu ni abubonse ni go basabiro kubwatira no kuyakwa barimu abaiburi ne serikali eri kwenekina ngwikirania bare umurubirio yo asinchira ere endonge buna eganiria
Chengro Lawrence Otuori yondo mo teacher bocharia primary school tuabwate umuyego monene ga St Joseph Nyasore asenge njo yo kumira BM chairpersons per school both private and public schools abasia soitwa no barenge mo director w'Gisemi TS and ministry Masaba North came to grace occasion igenta kana tuabwate no kuria mangana implementation of CPE and the way forward to synthesize our parents so that they know what they're supposed to do. And nemono nchele yoko register bana kijisea grade 3 and grade 6 aso mwaka 2026. Na bana mbia bana ndako somo mwaka tukusabanya sato konye to kole biyamono kubwa last year.
Tangoro kubali mukaya amtiacha person nyanko basa primary school. Egende ya CPE naga kon bantu na kolanga na tuasomire ali tukoli rero yo twanyoranga nonya na bali mu mbaraki understand we so ngosaba serikali yaito beke meroberio ya bana babeli tool ya balimu babeli tool agara karo babeli tool bamanyanga ngi bagocha cover asa mangana CPE ntora I understand we any system ngani lakini nende buneko na Korani negentekia ekaro tu akemanyire ngange tukitobana takakora
chengoro ku nyambega kisesa omumsio Rigoma ward seri tukori ara igona riga nigo cha kwatendi bochoria zone station of head teachers na bomb chairperson ora magana ya CBC ne bintu binde twatware mo functionary ngengia na ntu wana na kitocho support school so mwako this financial year a contract ya guru kwa gachecho ya school ya Mongoni ya ECD icho ya school ya Kiwanda ECD na renovation ibira simbira bana bagutweru sana school ya Metamayo birose bebuya school ya Eronge ngeri kiaro sugeterete ke koru eso ne class kiaronge ngiarenge mpaka new seats in a very pathetic state ne class ya Metamayo class ya school ya Eronge ne class ya school ya Nyatieko na ndito wana ndina abarimu abachiedi teacher na bomb chairperson na kitora abwatira na gochimotu tutaithikire skuru etwara access rode kero sworro
na wikira bo mwanchwa mwarigere no twikira mweri wa maya ase enchira yubekana ne chinsa isatumbya mano ase okubwatia nsoko TV oburusi bwo mugusia seri tukorigima na gwikira igaiga ase obutuko bwa bono gwika area nkiguchakira chinsa 12 check mambi gwikenye no chikomera namo na Innocent Onyango na Diana Nemo ekerokeria murachake na barabu hari tukoime yo murubiri bwa nsoko bwa kire ase gati ya baribana kina Mariogi amone chipchangu wikira ase enchira erendonge ngamo na Brian Chaka Barnabas amo na Felista Kabedi hasabono na kuganiri obutuko bya wika area kyo eriteriane Ishmael Mogere.